that stupid thing.
Yeah?
He's making a documentary of his life.
Oh.
You're supposed to get the cat in your late.
Hey, you just made it. 10 o'clock, girl.
Oh, you'll...
It's about every 10 years before I
Please stop.
Why?
Because I don't like being filmed.
Yeah.
So I'll blur your face out.
Yeah, the one underneath the ear.
I haven't videotaped in the garage.
Yeah, why not?
Hey, what do you say to Chris? Every time we call, oh, you guys say, oh, you But Eddie has upstairs, I don't know if you know, he's got the pull-down staircase. You climb up to the attic. He's got a rope hanging.
Yeah.
Pull that down, so he had that put in, and he sheets the plywood, the beams on the roof, so he could put boxes. But you can't put too much, so from this point all the way around to there is that
huge snow.
that side is Christmas, so decorations we can put outside of the tree, light stuff like
Yeah, in the street.
And this is
See, we live in a cul-de-sac.
Oh, okay.
We drive off. We drive straight.
There you go,
Same size.
You got to give him a bear hug.
Same size. Jim, I thought she'd know him right away. He's still got the same face. Better part of her. He's more. This is Jim.
Not Christopher. That's Tony's boy.
Easy watching.
I got
Jimmy is the
Ellen, I never liked that when you came in.
You watch for the sign that says Bronx River Parkway South. So as you're getting off, Bronx River Parkway go north and south. And Bronx River South, stay on it right to the end. And you're all over again. What is that? So we slept overnight. Now, would you have 4 kids? 3 at that time. Anthony, right, 3. And we had 3. And the 2 of us, him and his wife, so we slept on a floor, slept on a bed.
Oh, I had the cash from the birds.
Yeah.
I
gave you a nice bed.
No, 80 kids!
Hey, wait a minute. I think all 6 kids were in one bed.
Probably.
We got up in the morning. Now we got about 4 blocks to the train station. The snow was this deep, 1 foot. Now Tony was a young kid. Was 3 years old.
That's
Little.
all.
I had him on my shoulders. We had to walk 4 blocks, get on a train and went 121st Street, downtown. Then we had to go back uptown. We lived on Gunner Road. We got to 180th Street. Now it becomes level, and there's piles of snow. Trains can't go no further. Everybody out. Oh, I got 8 stations to go. Go downstairs. The snow is deep. Nobody's up yet. It's early. We got to walk. We walked from 180th Street, Morris Park Station, all the way up to Gunner. We had to go. So now we walk up the hill. I got fats on my shoulder. My neck was getting stiff. Him and there.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
I mean, his ass was in the snow.
I called him a truck. Now we were in the middle of the street because nobody cleaned sidewalks yet. We get to Plum Parkway and I hear beep beep. Ah, blow it out of here.
Just what he said.
Cop's car.
There's a place.
Voice precinct. Where you going? On the road. Come on, give me a lift. Let's take my kids and my wife. I'll walk. No, we can make it. We jump in the car. Tony's on my lap. So high head. Got the siren on. All the way to Gunner Road, right on the sidewalk, right in the back of my door.
Eddie, do you remember this?
I remember getting out of the car and I said, everybody's going to know we're in the cop car. We're in trouble. People looking, oh, this guy's got the alarm on. What's going on?
Hey, that was some
Find
walk.
out.
My legs were tired.
I tell you, they were good.
Freezing too. It was cold.
It was really
You was pajamas.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a big.
It's recording. Just keep it recording.
Okay.
I can't. Go ahead. Sorry. But you can't.
This is.
Oh.
This
But
is.
anyway,
If you're
the
going to be a
question-
camera.
Question mark is backwards.
No, it's not.
No.
Yes, it is. That's the question mark.
If you're going to be a camera person, learn how to do it. This is because they don't have enough numbers for Grandpa because he's too old. Get the other cake. Don't be zooming in and anything. Just, yeah. Don't cry.
Stay there. Don't
Make
bring-
sure he stays outside.
Yeah, and don't bring it out yet till coffee's hot.
Oh, what are you doing?
That cake looks good.
2004.
The question mark fell down.
See, I told you it's not gonna stay in this. I push it down. I'm so excited. I gotta pee.
This is the side I cut, okay?
Obviously.
No, really.
Get the question. I said don't zoom in.
I'm not. Say hi, mommy.
You'll be shaking it like Dominic. Now when I take it outside, make sure you see me and the cake and putting it in front of Grandpa and the whole blowing out and everything. You got that?
Sure.
Hey, son.
He's going, what page are
I get
we
to
on?"
record.
Oh, you stop hitting me! I tried it. That's the wrong pair. Well, you opened the window. But they didn't stop. My head was hitting that desk. I said, son, you weren't so big, I'd like to kill you. But 14 years old, I was smaller than him. I tell you, I'd like to meet some of these brothers today. Get even.
Yeah, good.
Well, yeah, they'd be 90 years old.
Yeah, I'm 78. It's all right, I'll take it on.
How long did they still kick your ass, Diana?
What? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, honey.
I'm gonna say,
Everyone's going outside, we're coming out, honey. Everybody outside to 3 o'clock.
mystery.
singing.
Wash my hands.
You're gonna miss the sing.
Let him wash his hands. All right, then.
Oh my god, it's mystery. Anthony, does that signify it's a mystery of what the heck flavor that is? Or a mystery on what age you are?
How old Grandpa?
How dumb are you?
Who's 7?
Who's in there? It's not a seven. Okay,
It's
everybody?
a mystery.
It's a mystery. Oh, God.
Happy birthday to you. 1 second. Happy birthday to you. 1 second. Happy birthday, dear Granddad. Happy birthday to you.
Wait a minute.
Wait!
Blow out the candle.
Blow it out, blow it
No,
out.
I'm going to spit all over this cake. Nobody else can eat it.
It's slipping all over the pineapple. Hurry up.
Okay. Question mark.
Yes.
Because they don't know, they don't have records from when you were born.
It's two.
Johnny, your next breakfast, he ain't coming. Did you buy that candle?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, Eddie.
Cute.
He spent $1.50. He bought me 3 candles.
No, Amy probably pocketed the candle, won't she?
Okay. I'm good. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. See that skinny guy over there? Up the ledge, before he hurt his knees, up the ledge. See that?
Get in front of it. You gotta swing, go all the way, Chris. You're stopping. Follow through with this. Follow through.
Give me a flaming arrow and I'll shoot it down.
Bye, Vinny.
Hey Vinny, look, DirecTV.
Just another afternoon fixed in jet ski.
And that is the engine. I know. Just don't say it.